Satin paint versus emulsion paint. Which one is better for your home? Are you planning to paint your home and then you're wondering whether to choose satin paint or emulsion paint? Many people confuse these two and end up spending money on the wrong option. But in this video, I will be explaining the difference between satin paint and emulsion paint, where each works best and which one gives you better value for your money. Stay till the end because one choice could save you a lot in maintenance costs. Emulsion paint is one of the most commonly used wall paints for interior spaces. It's water-based, it's easy to apply, it dries up quickly, and usually has a smooth finish. Emulsion paints are often used in bedrooms, living rooms, ceilings, and office because they create a neat and attractive appearance. Now let's talk about satin paint. Satin paint has a soft shine or slight shine compared to regular emulsion paint. Satin paint gives the wall a richer appearance and is more resistant to stain, moisture, and frequent cleaning. This makes satin paint popular in kitchens, bathrooms, hallways, and high traffic areas. Emulsion paints usually gives a flatter or a matte look, while satin paint has a smoother and slightly glossy appearance. Satin paint generally lasts longer because it's stronger against wear and tear, while emulsion paint can fade or get dirty faster depending on quality. If you have children or areas where walls get dirty, satin paint has an advantage. You can wipe many stains from satin walls more easily. Satin paint performs better in areas exposed to moisture. This is why many people use satin paint in kitchens and in the bathrooms. Emulsion paint is usually cheaper. Satin paint often costs more because of its durability and its finish. For bedrooms and ceilings, emulsion paint may be enough. For kitchens, bathrooms, stairways, children's rooms, and busy areas, satin paint can be the better investment. So, if your budget allows and you want longer lasting walls with easier maintenance, satin paint is worth considering. I hope this video helped you understand the difference between satin and emulsion paints. Which one would you choose for your home? Tell me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more real estate updates and building tips. See you in the next video. But don't forget that I do this contract. If you have any painting jobs, feel free to contact me. See you. Bye.